Good morning, girls. Girls, let's continue with trigonometry. And today we are going to study about the trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles. Right? In the previous video, I had explained you the trigonometric ratios or the values of the specific angles. Then I had given you the proofs of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, and we also did some questions based on that exercise we did 8.2. Now today we are going to study the trigonometric ratios of what angles? Complementary angles. You must be knowing what are complementary angles. Complementary angles are the angles which add up to 90 degree, right? So for that we consider a triangle, right angle at B, then angle A and angle C. When you know that there is a triangle, right angle triangle, these two angles are acute angles, right? And these two angles add up to 90 degree, and therefore we can say that angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree, right? As angle B and the sum of the three angles should be equal to how much? 180 degree by the angle sum property of the triangle. So therefore A plus C will be equal to 90 degree. This concept is clear to you. You've done it before. Then I can write angle A as 90 minus angle C. Then I can write angle C as 90 minus angle A. I hope it is clear to you what I said. Considering a right angle triangle, A and C are complementary angles. A plus C will be 90. Angle A I can write it as 90 minus C, and angle C I can write it as 90 minus A. So first we are going to focus on angle A, and then we are going to focus on angle C, but in place of C I will write 90 minus A. Okay, so we start with the proof, and I am rubbing this, making it here once again, A, B, C, and we now start for sine A. When I say sine A, it is BC upon AC, because you know the ratios opposite upon hypotenuse and so on. Cos of A will be equal to AB upon AC. Tan of A is equal to BC upon AB. Cosec of A is equal to AC upon BC. Sec of A is equal to AC upon AB. And cot of A is equal to AB upon BC. So these are the six ratios of what? Angle A. Now we will find the six ratios of angle C. And as I told you that angle C will be written as 90 minus A, or 90 minus angle A. So this is now the next ratio, sine of 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A, okay, then cot 90 minus A, cosec 90 minus A, sec 90 minus A, and cot 90 minus A, right? Now these are the six ratios for angle C, but for C we replace it and write 90 minus A. Okay, now sine 90 minus A, so focus on C. Sine 90 minus A is equal to AB upon AC. AC is the hypotenuse and this is the opposite side. Cos of 90 minus A is equal to BC upon AC, right? Cot 90, tan 90 minus A, tan 90 minus A is equal to AB upon BC. Cosec 90 minus A will be AC upon AB. Sec 90 minus A will be opposite of this, so it will be AC upon BC, and cot 90 minus A will be what? It will be opposite, that is AC upon BC upon what? AB, right? So what I've done, the 6 ratios for angle A and 6 ratios for angle C, but we write 90 minus A. So now let us compare them. Sin 90 minus A, AB upon AC is equal to cos A, right? They are equal. Then cos 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A is BC upon AC, which is equal to sin BC upon AC. So similarly, as we compare them, these ratios, we will see that one ratio of this side and one ratio of this side, they are equal. Now how the relation is set up? Sin 90 minus A is cos A, cos 90 minus A is sin A, tan 90 minus A, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. So when you compare them, you will come to know this is AB upon BC and this is also AB upon BC, right? Then cosec 90 minus A, cosec 90 minus A will be equal to sec A, as AC upon AB and AC upon AB. So when we compare them, we are seeing that the ratios are same. Sec 90 minus A will give you cosec A and cot 90 minus A will give you tan A. So this is how the relation is set up. So you have to learn these ratios. Okay. Now I will write, I am rubbing this and I am writing the ratios which are equal. So we start again. Sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A. Are you following? Sec 90 minus A is equal to cosec A and cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. Right? Now what is A? A can be any angle. So in the questions, if a sum is given to you, you will convert them in this form and write the relation either cos A or sin A or cot A, sec A, depending on the question. Okay, so to solve the exercise 8.3, you have to learn them. So quickly, sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A, cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A, cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A, sec 90 minus A is equal to cosec A, and cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. And what is A? A can be any angle. Okay, so this was a proof. This was how the relations are taken out. Now I will start with 8.3. In the first question, it says evaluate. Evaluate means definitely find the value of, right? So we see one question. Sin 18 degree cos 72 degree. You will find that when these type of questions are given to you, there will be a relation between these two angles. Yes? Then, secondly, we have to take the base angle as 90 degree and then we subtract, and I'll show you how we have to do. See, I can change either sin or cos depending on my choice or your choice. Sin 18, I can write sin of 90 minus 72. Okay? What? How 72? Because if I subtract 90 and 72, I will get 18. Then cos 72 I will not change. I will keep it as it is. Sin 90 minus 72. Don't write sin 18 again. Sin 90 minus 72 is equal to cos 72 degree. Right? And cos 72 upon cos 72 is equal to 1. So understood what I said? We will change one of the angle in terms of 90 degree. We will see that we will get the relation with that particular angle which we have learned in the ratios, and then we will be able to solve the question. So this was one question. Then look at one more. Tan 26 degree upon cot 64. It is not necessary that we have to change always the numerator. We can change the denominator. If I want to change the denominator, I can write as tan of 26 degree. And for cot, I can write cot 90 minus 26. When I say cot 90 minus 26, I will get tan cot. So I will get tan 26. Right? So what I have done, I will not change tan 26 here. Suppose I want to change this one. I will write 90 minus 26. When you subtract 90 and 26, you get 64, right? And 90, cot of 90 minus any angle A will give you tan A, and this will cancel now. The answer will be 1. So as I told you that the angles will be having some relation with the other, and you will find that when you subtract with 90, you will get the answer as given in the question, and then you will proceed further, but you have to learn those ratios. So sine with cos, cos with sine, tan with cot, cot with tan, cosec with sec, and sec with cosec. So this is the interrelation between the complementary angles. So you will complete your exercise 8.3. Ask me your doubts, and one or two just simple questions I've shown you here, and the whole exercise is also easy. You'll be able to complete, and if there is any query, you can ask me and send me your difficulties or doubts on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you and all the best.